Welcome back to FLS Kids. It's time for le mot de la semaine. Today's word is something we wear every single day. Le vêtement. Can you say with me? Le vêtement. Le vêtement means the clothing in French. We wear different vêtements depending on if it's hot or if it's cold outside. Fred is getting dressed to go to the park, but his closet is a big mess. Renette, I cannot find my favorite vêtement. Renette holds up a bright green top. Regarde Fred, here's le t-shirt. Le t-shirt is the t-shirt. It matches Fred's eyes perfectly. Fred digs through his drawer and pulls out a pair of blue pants. And I found le pantalon. Le pantalon is the pants. Now his legs can stay warm. Renette points to the floor by the door. Don't forget les chaussures. Les chaussures is the shoes. Fred ties the laces so he can run fast outside. Fred puts on his t-shirt, his pantalon, and his chaussures. He has the perfect vêtement for a fun day. So, let's remember. Le vêtement, clothing. Le t-shirt, the t-shirt. Le pantalon, the pants. Les chaussures, the shoes. Bravo les amis! What color is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to follow FLS Kids for more fun French word every week. Salut!